right, welcome back to Bllackkoutt TV News. I'm your host, Tony Bllackkoutt Williams. And today's first topic, monkeypox. Man, this shit is serious. This shit is serious. It's getting to the point where between this and COVID, man, I don't want nobody to, let me put it to you like this. It's very serious. Very serious. And I don't think you would want something like this. You need to start paying attention. So I put together a small clip to show you guys exactly what monkeypox is. If you don't believe me, take a listen for yourself.
The monkeypox virus is an orthopox virus, which is a genus of viruses that also includes the variola virus, which causes smallpox. Monkeypox is a zoonosis, a disease that is transmitted from infected animals to humans. According to the WHO, cases occur close to tropical rainforests inhabited by animals that carry the virus. Monkeypox virus infections have been detected in squirrels, Gambian poached rats, dormice, and some species of monkeys. Human-to-human transmission of the virus is, however, limited. It can be through contact with bodily fluids, lesions on the skin, the respiratory tract, or through the eyes, nose, or mouth, or by virus-contaminated objects such as bedding and clothing. According to the US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, the infection was first discovered in 1958. 2 outbreaks of a pox-like disease were recorded in colonies of monkeys that were kept for research, which led to the name monkeypox. Since 1970, human cases of monkeypox have been reported from 11 African countries. Cases of monkeypox outside of Africa have usually occurred due to international travel or imported animals. Monkeypox cases have been reported in Israel, the USA, Singapore, and United Kingdom. Monkeypox causes symptoms similar to smallpox, although they are less severe. According to CDC, initially the virus may cause fever, headache, muscle aches, backache, swollen lymph nodes, chills, and exhaustion. The incubation period for monkeypox is usually 7 to 14 days, but can range from 5 to 21 days as well. Usually, within a day to 3 days of the onset of fever, the patient develops a rash that begins on the face and spreads to other parts of the body. The rash changes and goes through different stages before finally forming a scab, which later falls off. According to the WHO, the proportion of patients who die has varied between 0 and 11% in documented cases and has been higher among young children. There is no safe, proven treatment for monkeypox yet.
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Now you see what I'm saying? This shit is crazy. You don't have to always be around people. You know, people always come up to me and be like, hey, yo, Bllackkoutt, man, man, I just got to be around. I'm tired of being in the house, man. I got to be around people. For what? You risk going out, being around people because your selfishness. But you got family at home that you bring that bullshit back to. People, we need to start thinking about our family. That's all I'm saying. We need to start thinking about our family. Furthermore, we need to start doing shit like, I'm gonna just be honest. Don't come around me with that bullshit. You come around me with that bullshit, I'm gonna be mad as hell. I'm telling you, we all should be thinking like that. Don't come around me with that bullshit. Alright? Now, the next topic, CCW. CCW. The government is allowing you to carry a weapon without the license. what they're not telling you is that you can carry the license carry the weapon without a license. It's called a permitless license, right? Right? But you can only carry that weapon without a license when you're walking. You cannot have it in your vehicle. You cannot have it on public transportation. You can't have it in, well, you already know, government places and shit like that, but think about it. The only way I can carry a gun without a license is if I'm walking. Think about it. Take a look at this and tell me what you think. Now you understand? It's time to wake up and realize what you're doing. No one's saying you can't carry a weapon. Only thing we're saying is go out and pay the initial fee to get the license. It doesn't cost that much. Go out, get the license. You'll be a lot better off with it than without it. Don't let them fool you. Getting a gun, carrying it concealed without a license will fill up the prisons faster than anything we've ever seen. Don't fall for the foolishness. Don't fall for the foolishness. This is Bllackkoutt TV News. You heard it here from Tony Bllackkoutt Williams. Get your license. Take the classes. Be cautious and be concerned about the choices that you make, especially with monkeypox and the coronavirus. Until I see you next time, I wish all you guys well. Do the right thing. Get your license.